Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today, maintenance Saturday. Got my 24-foot above ground pool, and down here I have my sand filter. Now I'm having problems with algae this year. I don't know if y'all can see that there on the bottom. It's been, and I figured out it's been 3 years. It's been 3 years since I changed the sand out. Now this thing takes 200 pounds of sand. And what I did, let me zoom you in here. This one-man show thing's a little rough this morning. I put unions on both of these so I could break it loose and take it apart. It was hard pipe before. Got valves turned off, got power turned off. So, and I drained the tank. It's got a drain on the bottom of it. It's been draining for a couple hours now. So I should be able to take this off, set it to the side, and then take my shop bag, taking the sand out of it. Now my wife went to Home Depot and got 200 pounds of pool sand, Quikrete pool sand. And then on my workbench, I got all my tools. I got a number 3 Phillips, channel logs, silicone grease, the whole bit. I'm gonna take the microphone off and we'll go from here. And if y'all hadn't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for me. Hit that like button. Helps me out a lot. All right, let me show you what we got in here. Now you got this standpipe, which it's got a different name. I'll look up what the name is, but I can't remember what it is right now. There's 200 pounds of pool sand in there that I put about 3 years ago. And it's got a little tinge of green in there and a bunch of dirt. All right, time to get started. I'm gonna get that shop vac going. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and see if we can't get this done. All right, be sure you stop and check your shop vac every once in a while, because remember, this is 200 pounds of sand. It's taking it out of there, but it's going to be 200 pounds, so do it in about 30-pound increments. I've already got about that much in here, so I'm going to go dump it and be right back. As you can see, it's just going to be a bunch of this. I'll come back when I got it down to the bottom. All right, I got about 3/4 of sand out. There's an internal pipe with a sand shield. And you got to fold these little, I don't know if you call them tentacles or what you call them, legs. You got to fold these little legs up so you can get it out. And you got to be careful with it because these things can break. So you got that. These things are like that when it's out. And it blows water through the sand, and then we'll wash it out with a hose and get started putting it all back. Alright, per the instructions, you take this back in, You got to center this down in there. Spread all these out. Fill it halfway with water. And then start putting sand around it. Make sure it's in the center. Put a piece of duct tape over this top so the sand doesn't get in here, because this has got to be full of water. Once you got some sand around it and it's good and sturdy, put 200 pounds of sand in there. Take this off. Put the valve and assembly back on it. We're going to grease the O-rings all up. So I'm going to get started with this. Fold up one of the ends so I can have a pull tab. Like this. So I can get it back off there. Put just a little bit more on there. Got to keep the sand from going in. Alright, that's what that looks like. Now this has got to be down in the center, so I'm going to put it down in there. I'm going to spread them legs out. What that looks like. Now, when I get the water in there, it'll be in the center like this. So that's what it looks like. Now I need to turn the hose on. Fill it about halfway up, and then we'll start putting sand in. I'll bring you right back. I forgot to mention one thing. Put the drain cap back on. It's leaking. Alright, so I got my 50-pound bag of sand here. You make sure the center pipe is standing up and the laterals, they call them the laterals, are all the way down. Try to keep it up like that. We're going to put a little bit in here. Make sure we're centered up. Okay, that's straight up and down and centered as I can see right there. Let's start putting the rest of this in here. All right, first bag. All right, that's 200 pounds of sand and 7 gallons of fluid out of my body. As you can see, hopefully you can see down in there. So I'm gonna take the tape off the pipe now. Just like that. Let me put you back. Okay, I got silicone grease on all that. My camera just stopped. Silicone grease on all these, on the unions. Put it back on there, and I'm gonna get these unions just started so I don't drop the O-rings. Just don't need any high pressure leaks. Alrighty, put my ring around the valve assembly. Man. Whew. Just takes the number 3 Phillips on this one. Probably do it with number 2, but I don't want to strip the head out on it. I'm sure I don't have a stainless bolt that length. My camera must be getting too hot. It's turning off. Alright, let me take the plug out of the pool. I can't get the plug out of the pool. Alright, now I got water coming in it. Now you need to turn it. Let's turn it to normal filtering. I gotta put all the caps back. All right, let me put the jet back on it. Put this guy right here back in. This up. All right, let's turn the pump on. Oop, got to turn the valve on. Come on, guys. See what kind of pressure we got. Not much. So, my GoPro is getting too hot and shutting off out here in the sun for some reason. It's never done that before. It's weird. But I got 200 pounds of sand in it. I hope you got all the footage. It's filtering now. I'm gonna shock the crap out of this thing, put algicide and all that stuff in it, clarifier, and see if I can't get this straightened out. I'm hoping with the new sand I can, because the sand I took out was dirty and it's probably wore out, and I guess you can wear sand out. But good to go. I can go in and cool off after I put all this up, get out here and mow. I'm looking forward. Anyway, I hope y'all like this video. I hope you get something out of it. If you got any questions, I am not a expert pool maintenance person, but I do it a lot. Watched a lot of videos on it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, be notified. We got some more videos coming up this weekend, I hope, Lord willing. But like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching. And it's hot. Hot, hot, hot.